Hey everybody, it's a beautiful day out here. It's about 78 degrees or so. Major cool down from what it has been. It's been, 90 plus degrees, 100 degrees every day. So it's going to be nice to get some of this done. Kind of getting a late start today, but hoping to get some things caught up here. Got to get this stuff here to the brush pile, which is over there. I got my helper here with me. She tries to make sure I stay on track. Gonna try to get some more cut down over there. I showed that in the last video, but I'm gonna try to get some more of that tall grass cut, trying to get closer to that pile there in the middle. And then I'm hoping to maybe get this kind of brush pile cleaned up right here, so that as I continue to mow down this way, that I can, get closer, keep getting closer, and then there's kind of a bigger brush pile right here that I need to work on as well, because once again, to mow down this line here, got to get rid of this. So anyway, stay tuned. All right, so now that that path is cleared a little bit, I'm pretty sure it's wide enough for the truck to go through, and so it should be easy. I'm gonna start loading up some of these piles. There's one here and there's two over there. So the goal is to try to get these loaded up and taken over to the big burn pile over there and dumping it off. Try to use the truck. Should be faster than taking everything by hand. So here Hey everybody, it is day 2 of this cleanup of some of this brush stuff around here. Once again, uh, it's a beautiful day out here. It's about 81, 82 degrees, which, like I said, if a few weeks ago it was 100 degrees every day, it's definitely way cooler. So anyway, we're just going to get right into it. We're going to try to get this stuff done. Got some stuff to do inside as well. So right now here, as you can see, we got to tackle all this. So let's get to it. All right, so I was able to get this area cleaned up, quite a bit, and I'll be able to kind of mow, you know, this area kind of clean up. I'm sure there's probably some more stuff, back in there that I can't really see or find, but I will eventually as I get a little bit closer. But then I also noticed over here while I was cleaning up yesterday that there's still some big stuff, over here. And, as I get closer, mowing in that area, then I'll just clean it up. Then, for now, that's about as good as it's going to get. So, yeah, time to do some inside work. All right, so headed down here to the basement that I've been working on for what seems like forever. But made some progress here in this bedroom. I'll show you guys. So basically got this bulkhead finished up here. So the only thing that's left ceiling wise is in here in this closet area. So I'm gonna start working on that, get that done today. Try to clean this up a little bit. I got some stuff over there, but the goal is, so make some goals. So goal is that I want to be completely done with this basement area by Thanksgiving. And I know you guys probably think that, that's kind of a long ways away, but when you're not working on this stuff every single day, all day, that's going to be pretty difficult for me to do. And then I'd like to get moved down here and living down here before Christmas. So that's the goal. So without further ado, I'm gonna get some of these roof boards up on the ceiling.